Hello, I'm Carlito Vergara and I'm applying to the dual degree at UBC. Growing up, I witnessed two powerful forces that shape lives around me. First is the resilience of the human body, and another is the transformative impact of leading organizations toward success. Recently, when a close family member suffered a stroke, I saw firsthand how kinesiology helped restore her independence through the physical therapy sessions. Similarly, when I was tasked to draft the project proposal for an urban planting project for the World Youth Alliance to mitigate climate change, I used leadership, planning, and resource allocation skills to achieve the best outcome. These experiences sparked a dual passion in me, which is understanding human movement and rehabilitation while also driving strategic decisions that make care accessible and sustainable. A degree in kinesiology will provide the foundation I need to master the science of physical health, recovery, and performance optimization. I will take advantage of both theoretical and practical work to prepare me for future studies in physical therapy or rehabilitation medicine. Pairing this with a master's in management will equip me with the skills to lead teams, manage resources, and implement innovative programs. I will take advantage of the extra classes to learn to lead and create an effective organization through intelligent decision making. The University of British Columbia offers the perfect environment for my journey, with its renowned School of Kinesiology and the Sauder School of Business. Through this double degree, I will gain not only technical and managerial expertise, but also the ability to bridge the gap between patient care and organizational leadership. Thank you.